Hi, thanks for checking out Audi Q5 Quattro that's just arrived. This one's got projector headlights, and as you can see down to the side, it's in great condition with those premium alloy wheels, blind spot monitoring, color-coded mirrors, and door handles. Coming through, you've got the Quattro battery badging throughout, and the satin steel style through the dash. Coming through in there, you've got the coming across into the back, you've got electric tailgate. It is a 40 TDI Quattro, and as you can see, quick release onto the back. Coming down to the side, the body on this vehicle is in stunning condition, full electric seat as well. This one here's travelled 44,000 Ks. You've got all your nav, surround view, adaptive cruise, auto lock wipers, lane keep assist, and as you can see, the reverse camera in this one as well. Coming through, many multi-function system through here. Got your satellite navigation as well. So there are heaps of different features throughout on these cars. Absolutely beautiful in the way they are appointed. Coming through here, easy clear display. You've got different drive modes through down here.